Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the error of service WA app. So let's get started. So here we can see the service WA app. If it shows the error, then you have to follow the instruction. So I will just open it. If it shows the error at here, okay, just press and hold it here. Then you have to click on this I button. It will open the app info. Okay. So then here we have to scroll down at the last. Just click on the storage. Click on clear data, just delete it. Then you have to open the app again. If it's work for you, then fine. If it's not work for you, then you have to probably check for an update. So just go to Google and search for the service WA app. So from here you can click on the update and use it. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.